Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Discord audio not working. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is set your volume slider to the max of media volume. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, first close Discord and then reopen Discord on your device. If that too does not work, what you can do is head over to the settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on apps, tap on Discord, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Discord and try again. You can also head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and then restart Discord. If that too does not work, what you can do is simply head over to your app drawer, search for Discord in the search bar, long press on it, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. Also make sure to check the volume on Discord. For that, simply open up Discord on your device, then you'll have to tap on your profile at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on settings. Once you're inside settings, you'll have to simply search for voice or sound. Under settings, you can simply search for sound and then make sure that your output volume is turned up to the max or at least in between. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.